If you eat a lot of cherries, this little tool can save you a surprising amount of time. We got this cherry pitter to make some cherry pie, and I wanted to show you how it works. One thing I noticed right away is how sturdy it feels. The handle has a soft, grippy texture and makes it really comfortable to hold. It definitely does not feel flimsy like other kitchen gadgets can. I also do like how it has a lock feature, which makes it really easy to store this away after use. As you can see here, I have 6 cherries that need to be pitted. We use more than this for the pie, but this is just for this video. But this just shows you how the pitter works. I found it easiest to place the cherry stem first down, and then whenever you press the pitter, the pit and the stem come out together. It didn't always work perfectly, but generally the stem came out with the pit. This makes it so easy to ensure that you don't have any pits in your cherries, and you can easily count how many pits you have compared to how many cherries and make sure that all the pits are removed. This pitter is compact and easy to tuck into a kitchen drawer. Cleanup is simple as well, you just rinse it off. It is dishwasher safe, but I found it easiest just to rinse it off in the sink and just give it a quick scrub with some warm water and soap. But you can throw it in the dishwasher if that's easier for you. If you love eating cherries or making desserts with cherries, this is definitely a must-have for your kitchen. It was comfortable to hold, easy to use. I'm so glad that we got this cherry pitter. It definitely makes our life so much easier when it comes to eating cherries.